Look at that. This is downtown San Jose on Thanksgiving.
It's probably downtown anywhere on Thanksgiving Day.
Yeah.
There's not even anybody driving on the street.
Nope, it's empty.
Wine bar is closed.
We have entered the zombie apocalypse. What is...
Okay.
The one car.
What idiot? You probably paid too.
It's like 5 o'clock and he's swimming in the Pacific Ocean in November. What part of a good idea does that sound like at all?
He's from Alaska. Oh, this water's warm.
Oh, because this is a great idea. Oh God. Oh God. If I get attacked by seagulls, it is all your fault. We're gonna die. Death by seagulls. Mom, they're getting closer and closer to us.
This reminds me of the birds.
Yes.
From Alfred Hitchcock.
Mine, 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 mine. See that what you did? Look what you did. Look what you did.
What? I'm not doing anything. He's pretending like he's got a broken wing now. Look at me. What a beggar. There's nothing wrong with your wing. I saw you flying.
Doesn't the boardwalk look kind of creepy and it's just deserted?
Oh, remember that old scary movie? Carnival of Souls.
Yeah, now it's really creepy.
Yeah. Where that woman was supposed to die in the car crash, and so her dead friends keep chasing her everywhere. And for some reason, she keeps ending up at this like deserted carnival. I think that's where they finally get her and drag her back down into the water. It's true.
What the hell is wrong with you?
It's a movie.
Well, there was a shit ton of birds here earlier. There's not really any more. Holy shit. Gee, imagine that. It's wet and we're on the beach. Now it's pretty. It was creepy as hell earlier. Thank you, sunset, from turning things into creepy to actually really pretty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? In the meantime, I'm getting attacked by water. Oh my God. I feel like people are looking at me weird because I'm talking to you guys, but... Hello. I hate mistaking foam for seashell. It's like, oh, yay, pretty seashell. And then, nope, it's the ocean hates me. Again. Oh wait, no, that actually, nope, that's foam.
I found that one, but it crumbled when I tried to pick it up. Like, darn it.
No, I keep thinking, oh, look, that's a seashell. And then it's just like foam or...
That's seagull poop, I think.
Ew! Fuck you, seagulls. Oh my God. Gross. Damn seagulls. Where the hell are all those things? The seals? Bleh, I can't say seals. Where are they? It looks like they're on top of the sailboat.
There's one right here, see?
Oh, there he is. Never mind, it's creepy again.
That's like way creepy.
Oh, it's all creepy. Oh, it's all pretty. Nope, now it's creepy again. I take it back. This place is super freaking creepy. Hello, my loves. Thanks for watching this vlog. Just to clear things up a little, my mom was visiting this week, and This video was just kind of my Thanksgiving week with mom and family. Went to the beach, obviously, and then we're walking around downtown. It was actually really kind of scary not seeing anybody around on Thanksgiving Day. If you want to see my photo booth video from this week, my mom and I did that while she was here. You can click here. Also, I'm still trying to figure out this whole schedule thing with my videos. I know I really need to do it, but I just started a new job that does not have a regular schedule, so it's kind of hard to make a set schedule with this job. I promise I will figure it out soon. Just this last week, obviously with the holidays, was pretty freaking crazy. Thank you, my loves. As always, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you happen to stumble across me. I will see you all soon. Bye!